Students, we shall start with trigonometry today. Trigonometry. This occupies very important position in physics and maths and the engineering. What is the use of trigonometry? Uses. What is uses? Tell me. One is use measure height of a tower. Height of a tower or mountain in survey and mapping, used in survey and mapping. It's called theodolite, survey and mapping. You might have seen people taking measurement rod and all. Third one is measuring distance of planet, etc. from Earth. Distance of planets from Earth. And many phenomena, I can't name it. So you can, even waves represent many things in physics engineering, many things in physics and engineering is based on concept of trigonometry, is based on concept of trigonometry. Then I can't go details, so it's so big it is. Trigonometry. Spelling will be careful. So this is how. What is trigonometry means? Trigono means three. Tri means three. Gon means sides. Metron means measure. Right? Trigonometry is trigonometry. Right? Trigonometry. Trigonometry. This is the try this three sides measurements. So basically, our trigonometry involved, though it's circular function, measurements of sides of a triangle. So the concept is very important topic in trigonometry. Without trigonometry, you cannot do many portions physics and math, especially calculus and coordinate geometry. Physics area, waves, optics. See? It is applied in math calculus. Very important calculus. Functions and physics, many places, waves, motions, many places. I can't enumerate many places, advanced math everywhere. Applied. So trigonometry is very important. In this case, we study with respect to right triangle. Trigonometry, basic definitions. First start with basic definition. Okay. Basic definition. The meaning of our definition can improve it is. So I am going to detail of it. Anybody want, you can ask me. I'll tell you. Basic definitions. Now, we shall draw a triangle. It's a right triangle. Just right triangle. Okay. Right triangle. look like right triangle. Now we shall name it. Suppose it A, B, and C. This angle is theta. You definition right. This angle is theta. AB is called opposite side with respect to angle theta. What is AB? AB is called opposite side with respect to theta. Just opposite side only it is. Second one, what is AC? AC is called adjacent side. Adjacent side with respect to theta. The last BC all of is hypotenuse. BC is hypotenuse. BC is hypotenuse. This thing all of you know it. Hypotenuse. Okay. Now, what is sine theta? Sine theta is, I am drawing sine theta. What is AB? AB is your no, AB is opposite side. AC is adjacent side. AC is the adjacent side. This let BC is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Now we should define this what is it? Oppo and write oppo. Okay, just for short oppo. This is adja. Just write adja. Angle adjacent side to angle theta, opposite side angle theta. This is hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse. Right, hypo. Now the ratio AB by BC is called sine theta. AB by BC is called sine theta. The ratio AB by BC is called sine theta. Right? Opposite side by oppo by hypo is called, in this case, sine theta. We took theta. That is, sine theta is equal to AB by BC. AB is opposite side and BC with respect to angle theta, of angle theta. Now, sine theta, remember this ratio, it's very important. Sine theta, AB by BC. Now, what is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent side by, I write adja, okay, we short, by hypo. This is from the triangle AC by BC. AC by BC. Third one is tan theta. Very important measurement. Tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is very important. Tan theta is actually. What is sine theta? Sine is sine. S-I-N. Okay. It's short form sine. Cosine is equal to cos. Or we tell co-function of sine. Co-function of sine is cos. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by, I write oppo, okay, oppo by adja. From the figure it is What is on the figure? Tan theta is equal to AB by AC. Yes. In trigonometry, I'll try to complete from right from the beginning to end to +2 level, IIT, JEE level, everything. Okay. Tan theta AB by AC. So these things we know. We have defined now. First is sine theta, second is cos theta, tan theta. Tan is tangent, tan short form for tangent. Tangent is very important geometry in physics everywhere. Tangent gives you direction, tangent is dy by dx, so many things are there. It's called m in per m slope, slope is tangent kind of thing you have studied. You study in other classes, other videos. So we did 3 definitions now. What are definitions? Sin theta is equal to AB by AC. AB by BC, sorry. Cos theta is equal to AC by BC. Tan theta is equal to, tell me, AB by AC. AB by AC. Now you see, suppose x is equal to 1 by 2. Here there's a 1 is there. So we can invert them. Ulta karo usko. So what will we get? What we'll get is, tell me, 1 by x is equal to 2 by 1. 1 by x is equal to 2 by 1. Because I find students not know anything. It's not their mistake. They didn't get the base. So I try to teach from the base. Help me to teach you from the base. Okay. So sine theta is equal to what is sine theta is equal to AB by BC. Oppo by hypo. So there's always a 1 here. See, there's a 1 here. Invert them. 1 by sine theta. What is 1 by sine theta? Become BC by AB. So 1 by sine theta we can name cosec theta. Cosec theta. What is it? AB by BC by AB. So what a new thing we learned? We learned 1 by sine theta is equal to cosec theta. What is cosecant? It is co-function of secant. Cosecant. What is it? It is not cosec. It is cosecant. Co-function of secant. What do we call cosec? Cosec we call cosec expansion. Cosec. Cosecant. Cosecant. That is co-function of this will be useful if you learn secant. Secant. What is secant? What is secant? I will tell you what is secant. So what we have learned now we learned one thing, secant. I will tell you what is secant. It is a geometrical definition. So let us draw a secant. Suppose I draw a triangle, circle. Suppose I draw a circle. This is circle. Suppose this is circle. I draw 2 lines. So one learn like this, okay? One line area. You call it chord. In advanced math, we call cosecant. What is it? Cosecant. Sorry, secant. So it is, sorry, not cosecant, secant. The other line, if I draw like this, if we touch it here, this line is called, if we touch this one point, it's called tangent. The green one is tangent. The other one is secant. Cosecant, I'm not just drawing and showing you now. Okay? Cosecant, I'm not drawing and showing it now. This is called secant. Secant and chord is same, right? Secant and this is called secant. Another name is called CHORD or Another, this is also called secant. What is called secant? This is called tangent. That cos tangent. Okay. Now, what we have learned? What we have learned is, shall I remove the figure? Cosec theta is equal to cosec theta is equal to hypo by oppo. Hypotenuse by opposite side. That is 1 by sin theta. 1 by cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Simply cross multiplying. This also seem to be unknown to many boys. It's not their mistake, I find. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Now, let us move ahead. What is cos theta? We define cos theta with respect to a triangle. Let me try to draw a triangle, okay? Let me try to draw a triangle. My triangle is very, okay, let us see. It's a triangle, okay? This is, suppose this theta. This is A, what was earlier figure? I don't remember. A, B, C. See, now, this is oppo, this is called oppo, this is called adja, this I call opposite side, adjacent side. Finally, I call it as hypotenuse. We all of us call not hypotenuse. Why should I call? So hypotenuse only. Now, what is cos theta? We just defined. What is cos? Tell me, cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. I write adja by hypo. So there is a one. I told you every number has down the set denominator 1. Must remember, you don't write the 1 here. So invert them. What will you get? 1 by cos theta is equal to hypo by adja. Hypo by adja. Now, we give name to the secant. What is secant theta? Secant, you understood, no? Secant I drew earlier. What is a secant? If I draw a circle like this is not a circle, it's an ellipse. We draw a line. The line is called chord or secant. Okay. Now next one is, so from here what we can write? 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. So what will you get? Sec cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. I hope you got it. Next one is tan theta. Basic relation we have learned today, right? What are they? Tan theta, again I'll draw a triangle and show you. All of us know it. It's a triangle what I can draw now. Triangle ABC. Suppose this is theta. This is what is the opposite side. Again, what is it? Adjacent side. Is hypotenuse. This portion I would like to cover syllabus of all trigonometry. Class 10, IS, ICSC and CBSE class 10, all syllabuses, IB or whatever may be. So, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to hypotenuse, sorry, adjacent by, see again I committed mistake, sorry my dear. So, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Let's say 1 is there, as I told you earlier, invert them, what will you get? Invert them, you get a 1 by tan theta is equal to adjacent by 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. This is called cotangent. What is it? Cotangent. Cot, we call cot theta. So what you got? 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta, right? 1 by tan theta, 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. So, how do you cross multiply it? And you get what is it? Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So, how many relations we studied now? Our relations, all relation again, just one. First one is, what is first one? First one was sin theta is equal to sin theta is equal to, tell me, oppo by hypo. That is cosec theta is equal to, again, cosec theta is equal to, second relation, okay? Cosecant, cosec theta is equal to hypo by oppo. Right? So again we learn sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. This is not what we learned actually. We learned cosec theta is equal to, both are right word, okay? Cosec 1 by sin theta. This relation is very fundamental trigonometric definition. It's a very basic definition. Now, second definition was, what was it? See, note it down. So, 2 was cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, what was it? Adjacent by hypo. Right? Cos theta is adjacent by hypo. Now what is secant theta? Secant theta. Okay, right? What is secant theta? Secant theta is equal to hypo by adjacent. Now, what is sec theta? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. That is sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Okay? Sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Last one, tan theta. Note down this, put in a formula book. Tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta, be careful here. Oppo by adj. Now what we do is tan theta is equal to oppo by dividing by hypo each term and dividing by hypo. Okay. Now next is why I divide, you'll understand. Adja by, it's not x, it is h. Okay. Adja by hypo. That is, what is oppo by hypo? Sin theta. Okay, remember it. Sin theta. Adja by hypo, cos theta. Tan theta has got one more relation, sin theta by, very important. Okay, this is very important. Therefore, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Please remember it. Now, again, one more. What is tan theta? We know from here. What was it? It was tan theta. Then, so tan theta by 1, what is it? Tan theta is, sorry, tan theta is equal to oppo by adja. That is tan theta. Now, what is cot theta? Cot theta is equal to adja by oppo. Adja by oppo. So, what is, so cot theta is equal to, cot theta is equal to, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, right? From here, we can write now cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. We already noted that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. What will be cot theta? Ulta. Just invert it. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Dear friends, in next video, we'll apply these formulas in various problems.